Less than 3 decades ago, the idea of sending and receiving money using mobile devices seemed odd, as everyone enjoyed the convenience of cash payments for everything they needed. Fast forward to today, this is turning out to be the norm. Phil uses e-kyash throughout his day, as it fills many gaps left open when transacting with cash. He chooses e-kyash for many of the benefits it provides: convenience and flexibility. There is no need for bank accounts or standing in lengthy lines when paying bills. E-kyash is used to make instant payments right from your mobile device, managing personal finances. Instead of noting expenses on paper, e-kyash allows users to check their account balance and transactions directly in the app. Increases access points to cash in and cash out money. There is no need to worry if a bank or ATM is in the area. Users simply visit one of many retail operators to add or withdraw funds from their e-kyash wallet. Ability to transact, pay back friends and family. Thanks to the person-to-person capabilities of e-kyash, users can pay back or split bill with friends and family or co-workers. These transactions are completed in just one step and are immediate. More payment options. Users are able to transact in-store or online via social media channels without carrying bulky cash or cards everywhere. Payments are now direct and always instant. Take advantage of loyalty programs, special offers, and coupons. E-kyash gives users immediate access to find the best deals and receive rewards from their favorite merchants. Users can make purchases without leaving their mobile devices, as the payment needs of businesses and their customers continue to evolve in Belize. E-kyash will no doubt play an important role in providing alternative payment options in the financial space. Next time, Ashanti will be telling us all about her experience with e-kyash. E-kyash, powered by Belize Bank, will make payments faster, easier, and a whole lot safer.